How to scan QR code with Android phone. First is to launch the camera application, and then point the camera at the QR code. Tap the banner that appears on your Android phone, and then select Show Options. So with this, you are given two options. You can either open the link or copy. So if I open this link, by opening the link of that QR code, it directs me to Wikipedia. Now if you can't scan the QR code, here are some ways to troubleshoot this issue. First is you have to check your Android version, as this QR code scanner will only work if you have the Android 9 or higher version of it. Next is to turn up the brightness. Make sure that the screen showing the QR code is bright enough for the camera to see the code. Check your camera lens, as a smudge camera lens can interfere with scanning a QR code. Then you may need to keep your phone upright, as if your phone is tilted, the camera may have trouble scanning the QR code. Lastly is to find the right distance. If your phone is too far or too close from the QR code, the camera might not be able to scan it. And so that is how you scan QR code with Android phone. Thank you and have a great day.